Want to say the intro again?
Hi. Hello, my
Hey there, man. So I'm in for little Cobras, and welcome back to the Cobras. And for those who are here new, my name is Mignon Cobra, and I make minimalism videos. So today's going to be episode 2 of the Toronto Diaries. We're going to be going out. It's Sunday. We're just going to chill, get brunch. Well, I guess it's a little late lunch brunch thing. It seems to be a repeating pattern. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get into the video. Let's get it. Let's go. I should know better.
Like, do it when it works. I'm a believer in that. So you feel like it's working right now. Good.
Yeah, it's like really smooth right now. I have an upload schedule. I have time to edit, and like I edit in peace. My computer's powerful enough to do it. Oh, yeet.
Hey there, my little Cobras. Right now we are at Vaughan Mills, and I'm gonna be getting a new mouse. The mouse that I had a really old Logitech, which I bought back in 2020, so it's like 2 years old, and it finally died. It kept dying in the last couple of days. Like, it would turn off, and like the other day it just completely did not turn on. So finally I told myself that once that mouse died, I was gonna spend a little bit more money and get the Magic Pad, because it's really good for like scrubbing, because sometimes I'll be like using a larger monitor and then like my hand is like at an angle using like the laptops. If you guys know what I'm talking about, you guys know what I'm talking about. So I was like, okay, it's time to pull some big girl moves and get a Magic Trackpad. So I'm probably gonna get a trackpad and a Logitech mouse. I'm gonna see how I feel about that, because sometimes I need one or the other, such as the digital nomad life struggles. So yeah, let's go do that right now. Yeah, I got attitude and gratitude. This is today's OTD, beige aesthetic. Yeah. Looking really cute. I know I'm wearing a sweater because it's kind of cold out, but like, so happy with my purchase. Like, Magic Trackpad, oh my gosh. And I finally got some headphones. Sometimes when I edit, like for a really long time, my wireless headphones die and then I'm stuck waiting. So like, now I don't have to do that anymore. So yeah, a little treat for myself, Magic Trackpad. Oh yeah. The haul was a success. I got the Magic Trackpad, which is something that I wanted to get. I knew that they had it. Last time I saw that they still had it in stock. They only had 2 left, so I got one of the 2, which is really nice. It came in black, but that's not really my aesthetic, so I didn't get it. And then I got some headphones. The quality is really good. I've used Will's, and I'm always borrowing Will's, so I figured I have to stop borrowing Will's and just actually get my own. So yeah, my video editing game has been stepped up, which is really good. Hey there, my little Cobras. So I'm home now, changed into comfy home clothes, and I'm just gonna make a salad for Will and I. He has work later. I have Sundays off, so for me, well, it's not really off because I'm just gonna go video edit. So yeah, let's make some dinner. So if you enjoyed the video, actually I'm gonna do my outro right here because I'm lazy, and when I get home I completely forget to do it. So if like I'm in my pajamas and then this outro is me back in my clothes, it's because I'm doing Future Nat a favor and doing the outro right now. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, a like, and a subscribe. Comment down below if you like these more vlog style videos, and I will see you guys in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye!